Guys, I'm going to show you how to make slime. This is what you're going to need. Oh, and it's slime for Halloween, which is right around the corner. There, you'll need red and yellow food coloring to make orange. A bowl with measuring lines in it. A small bowl, a large bowl, some water, half a teaspoon, some borax. And I'm using white glue, which is going to give us an opaque slime. You can use clear glue, which will give you a clear slime. And this for Halloween. Yep. Okay, let's get started. So, you see your mixing bowl? Yeah, I meant not your mixing bowl. Well, you're going to add a third cup of water to it. Third cup of water. That should be good. Third cup of water to your small one, your small mixing bowl. Then you're gonna add half a teaspoon of borax. There's different types of boxes of borax out there. Then you're just gonna stir it as best as you can. Okay, then you're gonna pour in your other mixing bowl. You're gonna add 1 cup of water. A little bit more water. That's okay. Ooh. Hold on. Okay, you got 1 cup of water in my bowl. Then you're gonna take the cap off. Oh, and make sure your glue is 5 ounces or 4. And you're gonna add the entire bottle of glue. Well, it depends on how much slime you want. If you want. You might want to cap the bottle of your glue and use that to stir your glue with your water. Okay, and then you're going to add your red food coloring, 3 drops of both. 1, 2, 3, or it was actually 4 of red, but then you're just going to, now I'm adding 5 drops of. Okay. Make sure it's definitely, hold on, let me just, okay, and then you see your borax mixture, you're going to keep stirring that. Okay, and then you're going to add it to your glue mixture. Gradually stir it. Ooh, it's sticky. You're gonna have to knead it a lot because this is kind of sticky. This is so hard to knead. I'm sorry guys, but mine were kind of a failure. But I'm going to keep stirring it actually. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to keep kneading it and stirring it. But both of my slime recipes, I think I might have added a little too much water. It's easier to knead. Make sure you don't get any of your slime inside your other bowl. just gonna knead it and knead it and knead it. Kneading it.
You can put some shoes on too.
Okay. Hey,
That's how you get cold, buddy. Even if it's just sandals, bare feet on the cold concrete, when you get cold. Okay?
Yeah, will you press that button?
This one?
Yeah. So I don't think I'm kneading enough, so I'm just gonna let my slime sit for a little, longer. Sorry, I accidentally hit the, wait. Because mine's kind of look clumpy. I need to knead it a little more. Okay, I hope you tried this at home. It is really easy, and it's really, some of you don't have access to borax, to find borax, but I had access. I don't have access to find the other type of box of borax. I only had access to this kind of box of borax. Mine start to consist, but if yours is too clumpy, then you have to let it sit in a bag. You need to kind of dip it in your water and knead it a little more. It may look like a failure, but keep kneading it and then let it sit. Okay? Get me something. Wait, I'm handling. I'm chicken. I'm chicken. Oh, subscribe to watch my other video. Oh, actually, no, I'm not done yet. Oh, my video's starting to get a little too long, so yeah, I guess I am. Yeah, bye. Oh, and you just store your slime in a plastic bag or container. And yeah, use it for Halloween, which is almost here. And I'm really excited. I decided that I'm not making any more videos on Halloween. Okay, bye. Do, 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 do.